Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to collaborate with others in a shared list in TickTick. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your TickTick app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access all your lists and start setting up collaboration with your team members or colleagues. Now, look at the left sidebar where all your lists are displayed. Find the specific list you want to share with others and right-click on its name. From the menu that appears, select the Share option. This is the starting point for inviting others to collaborate on your tasks and projects. After clicking Share, a new window will pop up on your screen. This window contains all the collaboration settings you'll need to manage who can access your list and what level of control they have. It's designed to make the sharing process simple and secure. In this window, you'll see a designated field where you need to enter either the email address or the name of the person you want to invite. Type in their information carefully to ensure the invitation reaches the right person. This field allows you to add multiple collaborators if needed, making it easy to build a team around your shared list. Right beside the email field, you'll notice a button that says Can Edit. Click on this button to reveal the permission options available for your collaborator. This is where you control how much access each person has to your list, which is crucial for maintaining organization and security. Once you click that button, you'll see 3 different permission levels to choose from. You can select Can Edit if you want the person to have full control to add, modify, or delete tasks. Choose Can Comment if you prefer they only provide feedback without making changes. Or select Read Only if you simply want them to view the list without any editing capabilities. Each option serves different collaboration needs, so pick the one that best fits your workflow. After selecting the appropriate permission level, click the Invite button. This will send the invitation to the person you specified, granting them access to your shared list according to the permissions you've set. They'll receive a notification and can start collaborating with you immediately once they accept. And that's it. You've successfully set up collaboration in your TickTick shared list, making it easier to work together with others on your tasks and projects. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.